Hello, I'm Nathan Vranken. I'm a postdoctoral researcher at the University of Hasselt and the Arbans. I work on a digitalization project that aims to digitalize collections and make them available to students at the university. That's probably what I'm working on now. I recently won the CETAF award, the CETAF eScore award with my PhD thesis that is here, that I just defended last month actually. And my PhD thesis was on cichlid fishes of African Lake Victoria region, and this research was conducted at KU Leuven in collaboration with the University of Antwerpen, University of Antwerpen, the Arbans, and the Africa Museum. Was mostly situated in the Africa Museum.
My passion for taxonomy actually started from a very young age. I was always interested in biodiversity and the diversity around us, and when I was young, I was going into the garden and turning over rocks and trying to identify or look at all the little critters living under there and try to figure out how they were behaving, what's up with those. And then also I was breeding salamanders and frogs in our pond. And I kept observing them, trying to see how they differed from each other. I actually took that passion with me for my whole career. I studied biology then, and during my master I came across a master thesis subject that was located in the Africa Museum with Professor Jos Snoeks in the ichthyology department, and it was about taxonomy of cichlid fishes from Lake Edward in Eastern Africa. From there it actually only grew. I really felt that this was what I really enjoyed doing, the kind of research that I really enjoy. So this is the work that I contributed to the committee, and it's what I presented in my PhD thesis that you can see here. And it's part of the PhD thesis. I did a revision of the Lake Edward system, and also we looked into their evolutionary aspects of these species, morphological aspects, the radiation, and figured out quite a lot about the evolution of these cichlids, but there's still a lot more to do as well. Yes, I haven't thought that much about it yet. I do still have a lot of ideas about how to extend this research topic. I want to look more in detail into the evolution. Now we looked a lot at the lakes themselves, so the species that live in the lakes. I work on these Lake Edward cichlids, but also on the other lakes. So around Lake Edward there are several other lakes, like Lake Victoria is quite well known in Eastern Africa. We have also Lake Kivu, Lake Albert, and we looked at the species that lived within these lakes because they are easier to sample, and there's a lot more diversity that we think in these lakes. But in the rivers there are also other species, and I actually want to look further into those as well. There are fewer collections, but all the collections that there are very valuable and worth studying. So I would actually like to work further on that and see where they have most collections from these river systems, and to integrate that into the evolution of these lake species, see how these radiation patterns actually happened with respect to these riverine species as well. I want to thank the CETAF community as a whole for facilitating and to actually contributing a lot to the study of taxonomy, to really promote this, especially in young researchers. It's very valuable for us, and I'm very honored to win this award, and very thankful that I received this award with the work that I did. And I will present this research to you, my research that I committed, in a future event. So hope to see you all there, and thank you again.